Let's discuss ninth question in exercise 12.2. A brooch is made with a silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. This is a brooch made with silver wire in the form of a circle. This is look like a circle. Okay, here diameter is 35 mm. Okay, here diameter is 35 millimeter. Clear? The wire is also used in the making 5 diameters. Here silver wire used making 5 diameters, and outside brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle. Okay, outside also silver wire. Okay, here using outside and making diameters. Okay, which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Okay, here circle divided into 10 sectors. Find, first question, the total length of the silver wire required. Okay, where we use silver wire? Outside. The brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle. So silver wire used in outside and as well as making 5 diameters. Okay, so total length of the silver wire equal to outside means boundary of the circle is nothing but circumference of the circle and we used making 5 diameters. Clear? Making 5 diameters, 5 into diameter of the circle. Clear? Here silver wire used in boundary of the circle and 5 diameters. Okay, circumference of the circle 2 pi or 5 diameters, 5 into diameter, given diameter of the circle is 35 millimeter. 2 into pi value 22/7. Radius means diameter by 2. Diameter is 35 millimeter by 2. 5 into 35. 535 is 175. 7 5s, 2 11s, 11 50, 11 into 5 55 into 2 110. 110 plus 175, which is equal to 285 millimeter. Okay, total length of the silver wire is 285 millimeter. Clear? Next question, the area of each sector of the brooch. What is the area of the sector? Area of sector equal to theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Okay, here what is the theta value? How many sectors? 10 sectors. Total angle in a circle. Total angle in circle is 360 degrees. And how many sectors? Total sectors are 10 sectors. So angle for angle of one sector, angle of a sector equal to total angle in a circle by total sectors 10. 36 degrees. So angle of one sector is 36 degrees. Clear? So area of each sector. Here we have to find area of each sector. Theta by 360. Theta value 36 degrees by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into r square. Here r is 35 by 2 whole square. Okay. Theta by 360 into pi r square. 10 times 1 by 10 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. 7 5s 2 11s. This value equal to 11 into 35, 385 by 2 into 2, 4. Area, square units, millimeter square. Clear? So area of each sector equal to 385 by 4 millimeter square.